Hey y'all, I want to show y'all this quick little project using these Dollar Tree cubes. They're like little foam dice in the from the toy section, and you cover them with balloons. Now you can paint them. I've seen people paint them, but it takes a lot of coats of paint, even chalk paint to cover those dots. So I saw somebody do this and I thought I'd show you. Now, with the red, I only needed two because it's a darker balloon. I only need two balloons. But with the white and the pink, I'm going to use 3 balloons to cover those dots. And you just cut the neck, so to speak, off of the balloon. And you just have the bottom part of the balloon left. And you just pull it around. It's that simple. It pops on so easy. So like I said, I needed 3 balloons. See how I'm cutting the neck off and just leaving the bottom round part of the balloon. And you just slip it over. Easy peasy, and it 3 covers it perfectly. I cannot see the dots, and it saves a whole lot of time. It was so quick and easy. And so I'm using 3 of the pink, and I'm just cutting the neck off and pulling that bottom part of the balloon over the block, and it's covered. Now I have 3 colored blocks, and I'm going to put I love you on it. I heart you. And I'm using this sign. It's a bushel and a peck and a hug around the neck. Now if you're from the South, you've heard that saying before. It's so cute. But I used grayish chalk paste, and I just rubbed it through the silkscreen area. Now I'm going to use scarlet for the heart, and I'm just taking my squeegee and rubbing it through all the open silkscreen areas. And peeling it off. It came out good. Now it did smear a little bit on the side, but I just wiped it off. Easy peasy. Now I'm going to use the U off of the hug because it's the same font as that I. And I'm just using some gray on that too, spreading it around the silkscreen areas, and pull it off. Now instead of taking this huge transfer to the sink, since I only used a little bit of paste, I took me a Clorox wipe and I just wiped the I, and I wiped the heart, and I wiped the U, and then I pulled it back and I wiped the back, and I just make sure all that paste was off of those out of that silkscreen area. Make sure that silkscreen is clean. And all it was a few little swipes, and it was clean. So now I'm going to tie them together. And I also got some Dollar Tree ribbon, and I just tied them together. Stacked the blocks up, tied it together, made me a little makeshift bow, cut some string ribbons, and I just tied it around the top. Easy peasy. I did use a little piece of this pom-pom. I love this little pom-pom ribbon. And I cut me another little piece of ribbon, and I tied it around, and then I'm going to dovetail all the ends, and that is it. It turned out so cute, and it was so easy. I hope y'all give it a try, and stay tuned for the pictures. Thanks for watching.